We're taking a look at one of Huawei's most stylish smartphones from the past, the Huawei Ascend P6. Known for its ultra-slim profile and elegant design, the Ascend P6 made quite an impression when it launched. Design and build. The Ascend P6 is, without a doubt, a stunner. At just 6.18mm thick, it was the world's slimmest smartphone when it launched. It features a beautiful aluminum frame, a gently curved bottom edge, and a soft touchback that makes it easy to grip. Display. On the front, you get a 4.7-inch HD display with a resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. It's an IPS LCD panel, which means colors are natural and viewing angles are solid. Performance. The Ascend P6 runs on Huawei's own K3 V2 quad-core processor clocked at 1.5 GHz, paired with 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. It's expandable via microSD, which is a nice bonus. Camera. Huawei packed in an 8MP rear shooter with f/2.0 aperture, which performs decently in good lighting. Photos are clear and color reproduction is fairly accurate. On the front, there's a 5MP selfie camera, which was impressive for its time, especially when many phones still offered 1.3MP or 2MP sensors. Battery. Powering the P6 is a 2000 mAh non-removable battery. It can get you through a full day with moderate usage, but don't expect it to last if you're gaming or streaming video extensively. Overall, the Huawei Ascend P6 is a nice phone. Thank you so much.